Hello and welcome to my video on using Audacity. My name is Kirk Harbour. I'm a music teacher candidate at Brock University's EdTech cohort. In my video, I'm going to take you through some basic functions of how to record and how to do some quick edits and export your audio. So the first step is going to be selecting our input. So I'm going to go over to this menu here beside the microphone icon. I have a little drop-down menu when I click it. And I am using my built-in mic port. Actually, I have an external mic plugged into it. You may be using that, or you might be using a USB mic or a sound card, in which case they would show up in that menu. So next I'm going to make sure I have mono selected because that's best for recording voice. Next step is to set our input volume. So to do that, I'm going to go up here above this microphone icon, and I'm going to click on my meters. And you'll see my voice now is going up and down, and I want it kind of peaking out below 0, which it's doing right now. If yours is too loud or not loud enough, you can use the input adjuster over here, and I can turn it up, and you'll see as it starts clipping into 0, it's going to get really fuzzy and distorted. We don't want that. So I'm going to go back down to where I had it at 0.1. Okay, now we're ready to record. I'm just going to do a quick sample, and I'm going to hit the record button right here to start. For more information on podcasting, please check out our blog at podclasting.blogspot.com. That's podclasting.blogspot.com. And I've hit the stop button to stop. Okay, we'll take a listen to the beginning of that. I'm going to slide my slider back over here, or I could hit my back arrow button and my play button, or I could hit spacebar to start and stop my playing. So I'm going to hit spacebar. For more information on podcasting, please check out our blog at podclasting.blogspot.com. So there you have it. There's the beginning of my recording. Now, I'm going to cut off the beginning part of this to shorten it up a little bit. So right before I start to take a breath, some of that sound, some of that extra silence actually I could cut out so we don't waste extra space. So I've selected it, and all I need to do is hit my delete key and it gets rid of it. Okay, and same at the end. I'm going to take a listen my end here. .blogspot.com. So I had all that extra blank space at the end. I'm going to get rid of that. And then I'm going to show you another trick that I like to use at the end, and what it is, it's the fade out. So I select that section there, and I go to Effect, and I fade out. And that prevents any popping or clipping when it stops. Okay, and I could also fade in the beginning, which I should probably do to prevent any popping or clipping at the beginning. Fade in. There's another way to do this with this tool here. I find it not as easy to use the envelope tool, so we'll stick to the effect way. All right, now that we've done a little bit of editing, we can adjust our sound levels if need be. Say if we had another track recorded in Audacity, if I press record a second time, it starts a new track. And I stopped it right away, but that's okay. And I could blend my levels by using my volume sliders here. So when you're setting your volume, one thing you got to watch is that your output meters, which are located to the left of your input meters right here, they'll be green when I play. For more information on podcasting, and I'm looking at my peaks here, and when I play through those, the high parts in the audio, the loud parts, for more information on podcasting, I see that it's not clipping out my meters and it's coming close to 0, so that's good. Okay, so we're ready to export now. And to do that, we simply go to File, and we go to Export. We could even have just a selection exported, but we'll export the whole thing. Okay, so I found my folder, and I'm going to save this as the blog plug. And I hit save. and it gives me the option to enter what's called metadata. And this is kind of like when you have like your artist and your album name on your that shows up on your iPod. So this is kind of cool because I could give it, like I'll just give myself my name. This is the information that will show up on your iPod in iTunes. It's pretty handy. All right, so I'm going to hit OK. And it exported my audio. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you've learned a few things, and feel free to check out podclasting.blogspot.com.